Hi guys, welcome back again. So today let us have a brief discussion regarding the development of form with few form input fields in Flutter. So we will be having text form fields, then drop down and radio buttons and few things. And let us have a discussion about how to create it from the scratch. So let's get started. So first let me declares few global variables which we'll be using later time. So just don't worry about this. I will be explaining you why we have used those. Okay. And selected. Okay. So let's get started. As usual, in the scaffold we will be having a body. So let's give an app bar for this first. So it will be looking pretty nice. App bar. The app bar has a background color. What color let us give us? So let us give us green color. Okay. So we shall give an icon also. Let me give us icons dot contact mail. It will be nice seeing. Okay. Yes. Contact mail. Okay. Next, let us have a title for that app bar, which is the text, then which let us give a personal details, and I want this title to be centered, so let us give it as true. Okay, with which we will be ending the app bar. Okay, body, let's come to the body. The body, let us wrap it with a single child scroll view because we need to have a scrolling option. Okay, single child scroll view. Okay, so align it. The single child scroll view take the child. So let us give a padding first because we want all those input fields to be aligned somewhat in the center with few gaps on left and right side as usual. So let us give us horizontal with value of 10. So I'm just leaving a gap of 10 pixels on both left and right side to have a good view. Okay, so once it is done, the padding again take the child. The child is the column now. Okay, so why I'm giving it as a column, you know, that I just want all the text fields to be placed one below the other. So I am going for the column widget. So in the column widget, let us have it take this children. Okay, as usual, let us have a sized box. I just want to have few spacing after the tab bar. That's why I'm giving this size bar. Okay, it's up to your wish. So here comes the text form field, the first one. Okay, text form field with which let me give the style first. Before that, let us give here it is the decoration of the style. Okay, I give it as an input decoration with the label text. What we need to give as a hint for those is the we just have it to get the name. So let's give it a center your name. Okay, align it. So after this, let us have a hint style. This is nothing but if you want to give style for your hint element, you can have that. So what's wrong is I have closed this one. Okay, the style, let us give the color. Just dot gray. Okay, gray color with font size, let me fix it as 16 for now. Okay, this is the font size. Okay, so it ends here, right? Okay, align it. Okay, so after this, let me give a icon. Let the prefix icon. So I just want an icon before the text field. Icons are for name, so let the person would be somewhat appropriate. Okay, so align it. So we have just created a single text field to get the name from the user. So as usual, you can copy it and have another one. I just leave a gap of 25 pixels. Here let us have this text field to get the mobile number. Okay, mobile number with icon alone, let's change it as dot phone. So dot phone. Okay, and another thing you need to note is that here we are having a constraint that the input is gonna be a number alone. So let us have an input formats inside which I'll be writing while listener input format is, yeah, dot digits only. And I just want the user to give the value of only 10 digits, so I'm just giving 10. So even if the user tries to give or tries to type a value more than 10 digits, it won't be accepted. So this constraint I am placing here for mobile number. Okay, and keyboard type, what type of keyboard? I think it's keyboard type. Yeah, keyboard type. This is the text input type. Text input type dot numbers. Okay, also the keyboard, which the virtual keyboard that appears, also contains only the digits alone. Okay, so this for uh, user preference we are using this. Okay, so we have just created two text form fields to get their name and the mobile number. So after that, as usual, you can have a gap for good looking. Okay, so after which, let us have a radio button. Okay, so we will be wrapping those inside the row because I want those radio buttons to be aligned horizontally. Okay, so I'm going for rows and main axis alignment first. Okay, main axis alignment column because alignment dot space between. Oh, I just want to write this before the children. Okay, that's why it was saying that. Okay, here I just want to have those radio buttons to be having equal space between them. So I'm just using it for good looking. Okay, as usual, the children widget. Let's first have a text. What questionnaire you need to ask? So, are you a programmer now? Okay, I'm just asking this question for the sake. Okay. Mm, Again, let's have a size box here with something like 25 because I just want a gap between the question and the radio button, so I'm just leaving it. Okay, it's up to your wish. So radio, radio with value, let me give us 1. The first radio button, let us give us 1. Okay, and group value is another parameter is as it gets the radio value which we have defined above earlier. Okay, next on change, whenever the user has a response over the radio button, I will be calling a custom function to get notified. Okay, radio button, let us have changes, just a custom function for now. Okay, radio button changes. Okay, so will be nice. Okay, so no need to have the braces. Okay, just copy it and just paste it. Okay, it returns a void, that's a void function. Okay, that's the string value. Okay, let's have the definition later on. Okay, this is a custom function. All right, so we have created a radio button. So what text you need to have before that radio button? So are you a programmer? It will be yes or no. So the first one will be yes, and again a radio button with the same thing but 2 as a value, and the text as no. Okay, with which you'll be having a radio button. And again, where does this row end? It ends here. As usual, let's have a size box. Okay, all right, let us jump into the function now. So inside this function you'll be writing the condition or the, what you to say, let us have a state change whenever the radio button has a state change. Okay, not only the radio button, whenever there is any change in the UI. Okay, the state change will be triggered. Okay, whenever the state change, let me have a radio value what we have passed. This is the value as the parameter we get now. Okay, after let us have a switch statement based on the value. Okay, the case 1, let us have a choice, have a choice which is a string. So 1 in the sense the, for audio programmer, the person has clicked the text yes, so he's a programmer. So what you have come to know is that he's a programmer. All right, let's have a break. Okay, similarly copy it for the case 2. So the case is 2, he is not a programmer. Okay, and a break statement and a default one. A default which have the choice as null. Okay, so just need to print those, but print and see what choice the user has selected. Okay, align it. Okay, all right. So here just created two form fields to get the username, just the name and the mobile number, and a radio button with a custom query with two fields, or yes or no, whether he's a programmer or not, and based on those response we'll be triggering this function. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned to get the update regarding a drop down menu which we will be describing or discussing in the later video. So thanks for watching.